Nice. It's nice, man. I like it. Very nice. She like that. A lot of different colors. Mostly gray. Alright, nice dark gray. Looks good. Dark gray, 30-year architectural. Of course, you can't tell from the ground whether it's dark gray or what it is. It's a dark gray. Looks good. I like it. Got a new pipe boot here. Yep, it's a big job. I like this color. I think you will too. Yeah, I think you're gonna like this color. I like it. Very nice. We'll try to get this thing done today. All right. Yeah. Let's see up there from here. Alright, got it tore off. Tore off and cleaned up. And the most important thing, of course, is making sure that when we tore our shingles off, we kept your beautiful flowers right here. Some type of rose. They're a short rose, but they're a rose. Make sure we kept them in good shape. Got a little bit of paper down here, but that's only while we're working. It's looking pretty good. About the same distance on this side. Very nice. Yeah. See, this is what you was talking about for the nailing. Nails go here in that line. You always shoot nails in that line so that this two-part shingle, you always want to make sure this two-part shingle right here and here is nailed anytime you want to get on a Mansford slope like this. So like these nails here, this is only because the board is in here. We put them in later. But you got nails here, and there's a line right there that tells you. Now back in the day there probably wasn't that line, but now they got a line that tells you where you got to nail them things at. Look, this is your dark gray that you asked for, and this thing's starting to look pretty good. I like it. Yeah, I like it. We should be close today. We should be pretty close. Yep. Yeah, it looks good. I like it a lot. Sharp roof right here. It's a steep one.